Hi guys, just wanted to show you another trade real quick. This is another example of trading with the trend, and here we have a 15-minute chart of the dollar Swiss. And if you can look from left to right, it kind of looks like we're trending down. But if you look over here, we had a lower high and a lower low, and then we got a higher high here. Not only that, we got a switch of these two lines here. If you have seen any of my other videos, I have these moving averages set up on my chart. And what these moving averages tell me, these thicker lines here, they give me an idea of what the market direction is. So I have a 55 EMA here indicated by this red line, and I have a 21 EMA indicated by this green line. So if I get a cross of this 21 EMA over this 55 EMA, like I did here, well, that shows me that the market direction has switched upward. So here, technically, I have an uptrend now, based on my moving average cross. Let's go to the daily chart to see what's going on there. All right, so we're looking here at the daily chart, and this is an obvious uptrend. All right, because we're starting out low here, and we're up high here. Not only that, we have this green line, the 21 EMA is above the 55 EMA. Price is above all these moving averages, and we have a good amount of separation between these two lines, these two thicker lines. That indicates to me that the trend is not only up, but it has a lot of momentum behind it as well. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart. All right. So if we look at the 4-hour chart, we started down low, we're up high here. We did get a cross here of this 21 EMA below that 55 EMA, which really would indicate a downtrend. At the same time, you want to look at this activity here. This is some sideways direction, and you know, there's some other patterns ending up here. This might look like a head and shoulders going on here, which shows that the market might be, you know, kind of changing direction sometime soon. But even though we have that sideways movement in this cross here, you notice that 21 is curving back up because we had some pretty good strength here in price lately. So trend to me, it still has that upward bias to it. Let's go back to our 15-minute, the one that we trade on. All right. So we had this cross here, that 21 EMA over the 55 EMA. The other thing I do is I have two other moving averages on my charts to kind of give me an idea of where to enter these trades. And I have a 5 EMA indicated by this black line, and I have a 8 SMA indicated by this orange line here. Now, what I want to do is I want to try to match up the bullish activity in price with the bullish activity in the market. So I had that bullish cross of this 5 EMA over that 8 SMA. This was my signals to get into the trade. At the same time, we had like a breakout here, which is also a real bullish signal to me to get into the trade. All right, the other thing I use is stochastics. That I want to match that up. I want to have a bullish cross here in stochastics. I had that down here. I had a bullish cross upward from oversold position. So this was a good trade to get into. Thanks for listening, guys. Leave a comment below and take care.